Hey there, tech enthusiasts and Windows users. Have you ever found yourself frustrated with the Windows setup process? Well, today we're going to make your life a whole lot easier. We're diving into the world of Windows setup using a USB pen drive. Trust me, this method is so simple, you'll wonder why you didn't try it sooner. So grab your USB drive and let's get started. First things first, let's talk about why setting up Windows from a USB drive is a game changer. It's faster than using a DVD, more reliable, and you can reuse the USB for other purposes later. Plus, most modern computers don't even come with DVD drives anymore. Now, let's break down the process step by step. Step 1. Gather your materials. You'll need a USB drive with at least 8 GB of storage. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to download the necessary files. And of course, you'll need a computer to prepare the USB drive. Step 2. Download the Windows Media Creation Toolhead over to the official Microsoft website. Look for the Download Windows section. Click on the Download Tool Now button under Create Windows 10 Installation Media. Once downloaded, run the Media Creation tool. Step 3. Accept the license terms. A window will pop up with Microsoft's license terms. Read through them if you'd like, then click Accept to continue. Step 4. Choose your options. Select Create installation media for another PC. Choose your language, Windows Edition, and architecture, 32-bit or 64-bit. If you're not sure, select Use the recommended options for this PC. Step 5. Select USB flash drive. When asked to choose which media to use, select USB flash drive. Insert your USB drive into your computer if you haven't already. Select your USB drive from the list of available drives. Step 6. Wait for the process to complete. The tool will now download Windows and create the bootable USB drive. Now, this might take a while, depending on your internet speed. Feel free to grab a snack or catch up on some YouTube videos while you wait. Step 7. Prepare your computer for installation. Once the USB is ready, it's time to set up your computer. Back up any important files you want to keep. Plug the USB drive into the computer you want to install Windows on. Step 8. Boot from the USB drive. Restart your computer and enter the BIOS or boot menu. The key to access this varies by manufacturer, but it's often F2, F12, or Dell. Change the boot order to prioritize the USB drive, save changes, and exit the BIOS. Step 9. Start the Windows installation. Your computer will now boot from the USB drive. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the Windows installation. Choose your language and region settings. Click Install Now to begin the process. Step 10. Enter your product key. If you have a product key, enter it now. If not, you can skip this step and enter it later. Step 11. Choose your installation type. Select either Upgrade to keep your files and settings or Custom for a clean installation. For a fresh start, choose Custom and select the drive where you want to install Windows. Step 12. Wait for the installation to complete. Windows will now install itself on your computer. This process may take some time, and your computer will restart several times. Just sit back and let it do its thing. Step 13. Set up your account. Once the installation is complete, you'll be asked to set up your account, choose your settings, create a username and password, and you're good to go. Now let's address some common questions you might have. Can I use any USB drive for this process? Answer: while most USB drives will work, it's best to use a high-quality drive for reliability. What if I don't have a product key? Answer: you can still install Windows without a product key, but some features will be limited. Is it safe to download Windows from Microsoft's website? Answer: yes. As long as you're using the official Microsoft website, it's completely safe. Can I use this method to upgrade my existing Windows version? Answer: absolutely. Just choose the upgrade option during installation. Remember, setting up Windows from a USB drive isn't just for tech experts. With these simple steps, anyone can do it. It's a great skill to have whether you're setting up a new PC or fixing an old one. And there you have it, folks. You're now equipped with the knowledge to set up Windows using a USB drive. No more struggling with DVDs or complicated processes. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends who might need to set up Windows soon. And if you have any questions or tips of your own, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy Windows installing.